Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone. Add the emoji keyboard in system settings so Instagram can access it. On iOS, open Settings, then General, Keyboard, add new keyboard, pick Emoji. On Android, go to System, Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, then enable Emoji or install Gboard. Once done, make sure the keyboard appears in your active keyboard list. This avoids interruptions later. Now open Instagram and get ready to switch keyboards while composing a story. Now perform the middle steps that connect the system keyboard with Instagram. Open Instagram and start a post, story, or DM to summon the keyboard. Tap the globe or emoji icon to switch to the emoji keyboard. If you don't see it, long press the globe to pick your installed keyboard from the list. If you installed a third-party keyboard, allow required permissions in settings so emojis and suggestions work fully. Make sure layout and language match your needs before typing. Finish by inserting emojis and tidying up preferences so the keyboard behaves predictably. Tap any emoji to add it to your caption, story text, or DM. Use emoji search on Gboard or Swift Key to find the right face quickly. Once comfortable, reinforce frequently used emojis by repeating them so they appear in the top row. If emojis don't show, re-enable the keyboard in Settings, update Instagram and your OS, or reinstall the keyboard. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.